Nurse salary in Kuwait. Kuwait is a small country located in the Middle East on the Persian Gulf, between Iraq and Saudi Arabia. In Kuwait, the average staff nurse salary is 1,040 KWD per month. Let's start the video. Kuwait. Kuwait is formerly known as Grain or Bahrain, located in Western Asia. Kuwait is one of the richest countries in the world. Kuwait is one of the highest-paying countries for nurses. The gross salary range for people working in Kuwait is 1,250 KWD. The nurse get good pay when compared to other job categories. In Kuwait, the nurse salary depends on experience, education and job title or specialization. Kuwait currency. The Kuwaiti dinar is official currency of Kuwait. 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equals to 263 Indian rupees, Indian rupee. 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equals to 190 peso, Philippine peso. 1 Kuwaiti dinar is equals to $3 and 22 cents, United States dollar. Average salary for nurses. In Kuwait, staff nurse average monthly salary is 1,040 KWD. Lowest monthly salary is 500 KWD. And highest monthly salary is 1,630 KWD. Staff nurse salary by experience. With experience, staff nurse can earn good salary. More experience the nurse have, more salary gets. Staff nurse with less than 2 years get 580 KWD per month. With 2 to 5 years, nurse earns 830 KWD per month. Staff nurse with 5 to 10 years get 1,090 KWD per month. With 10 to 15 years, nurse earns 1,340 KWD per month. Between 15 to 20 years, nurse gets 1,420 KWD per month. Above 20 plus years, nurse will get 1,560 KWD per month. Nurse salary by education. Depend on education, the nurse salary will be varied. There will be huge difference in salary package for nurse with bachelor degree and master degree in nursing. Nurse salary with bachelor's degree gets 920 KWD per month. Nurse salary with master's degree gets 1,310 KWD per month. Nurse salary by job title. Job title is important tool to determine nurse salary. If nurse has specialization and has more demand, their salary will huge. Acute care nurse earns 1,200 KWD per month. Assistant director of nursing earns 1,790 KWD per month. Case manager, 1,430 KWD per month. Company nurse, 870 KWD per month. Critical care nurse, 1,160 KWD per month. District nurse, 1,050 KWD per month. Head nurse, 1,180 KWD per month. Home nurse, 970 KWD per month. ICU registered nurse, 1,120 KWD per month. Informatics nurse specialist, 1,080 KWD per month. Licensed practical nurse, LPN, 990 KWD per month. MDS coordinator, 1,120 KWD per month. Mental health nurse, 1,090 KWD per month. Neonatal nurse practitioner, 1,470 KWD per month. Nurse, 1,040 KWD per month. Nurse midwife, 1,270 KWD per month. Nurse practitioner, 1,210 KWD per month. Nurse assistant, 900 KWD per month. Nursing coordinator, 1,190 KWD per month. Nursing director, 2,440 KWD per month. Nursing services instructor, 1,190 KWD per month. Nursing supervisor, 1,610 kWd per month. Occupational health advisor, 1,940 kWd per month. Occupational therapist, 1,570 kWd per month. Personal support worker, 810 kWd per month. Psychiatric nurse, 970 kWd per month. Registered nurse, 1,050 kWd per month. Respiratory manager, 2,100 kWd per month. School nurse, 980 kWd per month. Staff nurse, 970 kWd per month. Theater manager, 1,670 kWd per month. Utilization review nurse, 1,140 kWd per month. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions? Comment below. Thank you all. If you like this video, like, comment and share to all. Thank you.